Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, your girl's wearing makeup. I'm wearing makeup today. I love wearing makeup these days. In my last video I was saying that I didn't like wearing makeup, but now I'm just like, I like wearing makeup. I think especially when it's more of like a natural look like this and it just looks very plain and glowy. I love it. So anyway, going off on a tangent. So today I'm doing my makeup with a slight twist because I'm going to be using my all-time favorite toner, one of my top 3 favorite Fresh products, the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. I'm going to be using that as my setting spray today. I recently filmed a video on the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, finally after how long, and while I was reading some of the facts about the toner, I discovered that it can actually be used as a setting spray. I've been using that toner for like 2-3 years and I didn't even know that about the toner, so after I found that out I was like, oh, okay, I want to try it out because, as you know or you may not know, I recently filmed a video where I was trying out a technique to see if I can prevent makeup transfer onto a face mask, and I said that I would be filming other videos like that in the future because I want to see if it is possible to keep my makeup on my face and not on my mask. I've been watching lots of videos on this topic, so I know that it is possible, but I want to know if I can do it and have it work for myself. So when I found out that the Fresh Rose Floral Toner could also be used as a setting spray, I was like, I have to try it out, and so that is what today's video is about. I am running late. It is like 8 o'clock. I need to start work now so I can finish at 4. Yeah, so I need to get to work. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure that you remember to give this video a thumbs up and that you remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And yeah, if you like this makeup look, give me a thumbs up down below. If you want me to try out other makeup looks or you have any tips, suggestions on makeup and products and things like that, let me know down below in the comments. And before I blab on and get even more late for work, let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so I'm running super late. What else is new? It's 7:15, so yeah, I thought like, let's just jump straight into it. Like I said in my introduction, today I'm going to be using the Fresh Rose Floral Toner as a setting spray, and I'm going to see how well that works on my makeup against wearing a mask. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. We're nearly done with the skincare. That's gone on really nicely, and I really don't even want to wear makeup at this point because this glow is amazing, but we're gonna wear makeup today. So what is the time? Let's see. Okay, so it's literally 7:30, so I think I'm only gonna have a really short time to do my makeup and stuff. So while I wait for the skincare to settle in and get situated, I'm going to quickly get changed and then I will be right back once I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back. The camera's got a bit weird because I'm wearing a light top, but yeah, so I'm changed, wearing pink today, got some lovely frills on. So like I said, point of the video while we're here, so I'm going to be using the Fresh Rose Floral Toner as a setting spray. I want to see how well it works as a setting spray. I don't know, I feel like, to be honest, I don't have super high hopes for it as a setting spray, but I'm not going to use it against it because I absolutely love it as a toner. The thing is, honestly, I just don't know. So we're going to find out together and we're going to see how well it works. Okay, so let me come in a bit closer because we're doing makeup now. Okay, where to begin? I'm like, where do I normally start? Oh guys, I completely forgot. So in my last makeup video, I was upset that I couldn't find my Rodial bronze glow drops, but I found them the other day completely by chance. So I'm going to be using those glow drops today. Just going to be testing them out for the last time, and then if they work, then I will keep them, and if they don't work, then I will give them to one of my friends because, guys, go and watch my previous Rodial Bronze Glow Drops video and you will know all about that catastrophe. Okay, so let's just jump straight in. So I'm going to start off with the Rodial Bronze Glow Drops. Let me just give it a good old shake. Also guys, it's 7:33, so I've got like 20 minutes, maybe 20 minutes maximum to get through this whole video. Okay. So just gonna go on quickly with some glow drops because I've learnt my lesson from last time. I'm only gonna go in with the smallest amount, literally the tiniest amount that you've ever seen in your entire life. I forgot my mirror, so we're gonna make do with my tiny like eye mirror. Just gonna like blend that out. I think maybe this was even like too much because this was also like quite drying, so I don't want to put too much on. God, I'm like almost like, what have I done? But definitely these bronze glow drops, not to be worn on your own if you are dark skinned like me. I think that's just like a recipe for disaster because you can see how I'm looking mighty ashy when you can see other parts of my face that are a lot more like glowy and bronzed. So this is definitely not to be used on its own if you have dark skin like moi. The thing is, my skin's not even that dark, so imagine someone darker than me. That's just a no-no. Okay, so that's gone on. I think you can barely see it, which is what we want. Again, guys, if you watched that previous video, no ma'am. And then next I have my NYX Born to Glow foundation. I wear the shade Sienna. I bought a new sponge, so I should open it. Not that you care, but the makeup sponges that I use the Beautopia cosmetic sponges, and these are like £5 or £6 in Sainsbury's. And I really like these because these are really robust. Absolute bargain. Like what I did last time, I'm going to spray my sponge with the Fresh Rose Floral Toner just so that it gets that, like, the juices going in it. The thing is, this smells divine. It smells absolutely divine. So in we go. Ah, see, that looks so good. The way that glow is coming in. Although I think today I want a bit more coverage on my face, so I'm gonna just really load this up. It's funny because this foundation is actually pretty light. It's medium to light coverage and it is buildable. So if I do want to cover up my dark spots, I just need to really just like pile on. How are we looking? No, I think we look quite good. It's like hard to tell because I literally look the same whenever I wear makeup, to be honest. Also guys, this foundation is literally the best foundation in the entire world. It's only £10 on ASOS, I think £10 on the actual NYX website, £10 in Superdrug. I don't know, if you've got a student discount then this will be less than £10. If you know someone with a student discount, this will be less than £10. Sometimes ASOS have offers on this. So I've bought this on offer, and when it's on offer this is only like £8 or something, which is an absolute bargain. If you're not into makeup so much or you don't want to spend that much money on like makeup, then this is a really great foundation. I just love how it's your skin but better. I think that is definitely the vibe that we want. Because my skin looks good, but my skin does not look NYX Born to Glow foundation good. And it really does just cover everything, but you can still see, like, you can still see your skin underneath. And I think from here you can't really see it so much, but when I come in really close, I can still see a few of my dark spots. I can still see a few of my, I can still see things. It's just like a nice veil on top of everything, which is super nice. Okay, first step complete. But I do have to admit, I'm wearing a lot today, so I'm hoping that it will last for longer. But I think when you are wearing a mask and wearing makeup, you want to put on more makeup because it's bound to come off a lot more, maybe a lot quicker and a lot more easier with a mask. You want to still put on almost extra to preempt that, so that even if it does come off, you're still covered. Okie doke, so what is next? I've got a whole ton of stuff done here and I'm trying to also keep an eye on the time. Okay, so that's foundation done. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the foundation with the toner before I move on to my mascara. Wish me luck. Things, I've never actually sprayed this on top of makeup or anything like that on my face, so I'm very nervous. I'm nervous because I usually, when I use this, spray on so much and I don't want to drench my whole face. So I'm just gonna go like from super far away. Wow. And now I'm just gonna let that settle in. Oh, that feels so refreshing. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Rodial Glamolash XXL mascara. Literally a dream of a mascara. I absolutely love this stuff, even though it does take me like 10 minutes to get the desired amount on my face. Okay. And then to get the desired amount, I'm going to put on like 3 coats. My lashes aren't quite where I want them, so I'm going to go back in. I don't know why my face is looking a bit something. Anyway, what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm just going to spray my sponge with the Banish Beauty Elixir as well, just to really lock that in. Guys, I need to hurry, it's like 10 to 8. Oh wow, my skin literally looks flawless. Really nice. Okay. Cool. Now, I wasn't going to, but I'm going to put on a teeny bit of blush. Okay, so I'm going to put on the Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm. I think I need to get a new one. It's about time I got a new one because it's been about 6 months. No, it's probably been a bit more than 6 months since I first bought this, so I need to definitely restock. Okay, so that's kind of gone on a bit. I'm gonna now just go over my face. I'm gonna like dab that out a bit because it looks a bit strong. So there we have it. Okay, I'm going to let that settle in a bit more. I'm going to put on a bit more mascara, but my lashes just aren't that like wow. Also, this mascara comes off very easily, which is what we love in a mascara. Like, it packs a mighty punch. Ooh, beautiful. Great. I think because I like my lashes naturally like clumpy and fake lash looking, it just takes me a long time to get that effect with a mascara, because most mascaras these days, they don't clump and they're just very like, they separate all the lashes, but I want my lashes to be super thick and clumped, so it always takes me a bit of extra time to get that effect. So pretty much everything is done. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to finish getting ready and then I will be right back. I need to hurry up because it's almost 8 o'clock. I gotta go to work. But yeah, I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, so here we are. So I'm done. I actually need to hurry because it's like 5 to, it's 5 to 8. Oh, this is so cute. What a natural, like, beautiful look. This is literally the same makeup look that I do every single time. I'm sorry if you want to see more makeup looks. I'm not your girl. I can learn to do makeup if you like, but I just really love this natural look. It's like a natural, simple glam makeup look, a makeup, no makeup look. It literally looks like I'm just wearing like fake lashes or mascara, because the makeup, the foundation is just such a natural, beautiful finish. And I have to say that the toner is just, my skin is just so glowy and shiny, and it's the skincare products really shining through. Okay guys, I'm running late. Okay, so now last but by no means least, I'm gonna put on some lip balm. I've got the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment Sunscreen Lip Balm, and this is SPF 15. Nice. I think one of the things that I love about this lip balm, it's that even though it's a clear balm, it goes on nude, so it kind of enhances the colour of your lips naturally. So, you know, my lips are brown with like peachy pink bits in it, and so it just makes my lips look more brown, more peachy, which I really like. I'm not into lipsticks, I'm not into like coloured lip products, so this is really great to still give me like a lip colour without a lip colour, if that makes sense. So just for final, I'm gonna spray my whole face with this toner, and yeah, wish me luck. But I think I'm gonna just like spray the air and then go into it, because I don't want to like get super wet. Oh, nice. Okay, so that is on. We will see how well this holds up throughout the day. I think I'm also going to be spraying my hair. I'm also going to be spraying my face throughout the day, because I can feel like my face could get dry because of these glow drops. They're a bit drying. But yeah, what is the time? We finished just on the 8 o'clock mark. It is 7:59. Okie dokes. Cool. Okay guys, so this was my makeup for a mask. I don't know what to call these kinds of videos, but this is basically my makeup routine using the Fresh Rose Floral Toner as a setting spray. I'm going to have some pictures up on the screen to show you what my mask was looking like after wearing makeup and obviously with the setting spray. I think I'm going to set my face again before I go out and put on my mask with this spray. Like I said in my first makeup mask video, I'm going to be filming quite a few of these videos just using different techniques and things like that. So I guess you can say this is a new series that we're starting on the blog. So this is part 2. Make sure you check out part 1 if you want to see my first attempt, which actually wasn't so bad. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any tips, tricks, products, or any techniques that you use to ensure that your makeup stays on your face and off your mask. I'd love to know what you're doing to prevent makeup transfer on your mask or face covering. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Make sure you remember to subscribe guys, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.